Okay, so this is a Ghanaian piano tutorial. Okay, so we are in the key of A, but I'm playing the key of F. Okay, so this is a tutorial which was done by Jude Kofie. I believe you all know him. Okay, so I came across one of his videos which he was playing this particular song. Okay, so that is a song that he applied this particular song. So if today is your first time, subscribe, share and like the video, okay, so that more content like this will be brought to you. Okay, so we are in the key of F, like I said. So in the key of F, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 1. Okay, the same as the do, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti and the do. So I want to say this also. If you want me to break down any song progression, or you want me to break down any song, just hit me up on the comment section. Type the name of the song, then the person who sang it, the name also. Okay, then if I get to see it, I'm gonna break it down initially. Okay, so without much ado, okay, so let's dive. I will be showing you where to place this particular chord that I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's learn the movement first. Okay, so just in case you don't know the progression of the song, simple chords. Okay, on the 1, okay, then okay, okay, so that's how the song goes. Okay, so basically these are the chords. Okay, because I don't want the video to be lengthy, so I'm not going to give out the chords that I played. Okay, but you can slow down the video. Okay, if you don't get anything, just type in the comment section. I will gladly help you in any way that I can. Okay, so the movement that I did. Okay, okay, so let's check the movement. Let's break it down. Okay, so the first thing I was doing was this. Okay, okay, so that is the re mi. Okay, so J, A and B flat. Okay, so the moment I hit the B flat, then I'll play this chord. All right, so what do I have? I have the C sharp, I have the F, I have the B flat. Okay, so C sharp, F and B flat. Okay, so okay, so then the moment I play this, I will hit some a chord on the left. Okay, all right, so basically I'm doing inventions. Okay, so inventions is another topic on its own. Okay, so basically what I'm playing, I'm just doing invention. Okay, all right, so that is what I played on the left hand. All right, basically inventions. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing the B flat on the left, I'm doing the C sharp on the left, then I'm doing the F. Okay, okay, right hand C sharp, F, B flat. Okay, so I did this. Alright, the moment you hit then you hit, then I did. Alright, so that is A, J and F. Okay, then I'm playing over chords. Okay, so the left hand I have the C and the G. Okay, C and G. Right hand is doing the A, C, and F. Okay. All right. Then we are going to do a movement here. Okay. 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 So what is that? I'm doing the E, F, E, D, E, F, A, then G. But the moment I hit the G, I will hit the flat 5 with it, okay, like this. Okay. So let's go one more time. Okay, one more time. Okay, so then what will I hit on the left? Okay, then the left will hit this chord. Okay, so what is that chord? I'm doing the flat 5, the 6, and the G, okay, or the 2. Okay, then you hit. Okay, so when you add this chord, okay, the difference is that I'm playing the same chord, but basically I'm leaving out the D. Okay, the same chord. I'm leaving the D on the right. Okay, so let's go one more time. So okay, so I left a part of it. Okay, so let me show you that one. This one. Okay, so we'll be doing a chromatic walk down. Okay, so the moment I do ba da da dum, okay, ba da da dum, then my left hand will hit the D. Da 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 da. Did you see that? Da 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 da. Okay, so what is that? That is the C sharp and the E. Okay, so you do like this. Da 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 da. Okay, so the moment I hit the F2, it will come on the C. Da 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 da. You see, this is a very nice movement you can use to inculcate in your play. So one more time. Okay, then we move to this. So this is just a basic chord, so I don't need to explain it. Okay. Okay, that is over chords. Okay, 5 over the 4, then 5 1. Okay, so let's take the movement again. Okay, so let's take the song. Okay, so we are going to apply it in the song. Okay, so the part we say every say, every say. Okay. Okay. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.